Hello guys, welcome to technojob.in. Here we are with a new aptitude questions to find unit digits of the given number. So before going in detail about this, I would like to tell about our platform, that is technojob.in. We provide jobs for BE B.Tech students and also give information about walk-in drives, off-campus drives, internships and also tech news. So coming to the finding new digits, first of all, we should know about the cyclicity of a number. So what is the cyclicity of a number? It is nothing but repetition of unit digits. It is nothing but repetition of unit digits. So let us take examples. So of 2. 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square is 4, 2 power cube is 8, 2 power 4 is 6. Again 2 power 5 is 10 and 2 power 5 is 12. Okay, again it repeats. 2 power 5 is 12 and the unit digit is repeats. 2 power 6 is 24. So 24 will be again 4 is repeated. So like that it is repetition. So then the cyclicity will be 4 because after 4 powers again the unit digits is repeating. So the cyclicity of 2 is 4. So coming to the 3. 3 power 1 is 3, 3 square is 9, 3 cube is 27. So last digit is 7. So that 3 power 4 is 3 power 4 is 71. So the last digit is 1. So like that, then again 3 power 5 is will be the unit digit will be 3. So it repeats. So cyclicity will be 4. So coming to the 4, the cyclicity will be 2 because after every 2 digits again the unit digit is repeating. And coming to the 5 and 6, 5 and 6 is nothing, it is the 1 because for every power the last digit will be the same digit. For 5 it is 5 and for 6 it is 6. So the cyclicity will be 1 and 1. So for 7, for 8 and for 9, this is the cyclicity of up to 9. So please go through it and keep in your mind what is the cyclicity of a number. So this is the one, and next one you have to know about this L power R. So L power R, or just if L equal to 2468, then the unit digit will be 6. If L is equal to 379, then unit digit will be 0. For 5, it is an exemption case that for 5 unit digit is always 5. So I'll explain you in solving the problems about this. So we'll get into the problems now. So find the unit digit of a number 1453 power 71. So first of all you have to consider the last digit, that is L. That is L equal to 3 from here. So this is the one you have to keep aside. Then you should take a power. Then taking a power and the L value is 3. So the cyclicity of L value 3 is 4. Okay. So you have to divide it by 4. So you'll get a remainder. So you'll be getting a remainder. Then you can apply L power R, that is 3 power 3, that is 27. This is one type of question. Then the last digit of this number will be 7. Okay, then we'll be solving a second problem now. So find the unit digits of 444 power 444. Okay, here the last digit is L equal to 4. So for 4 the cyclicity is 2. So we will divide the 444 with 2. Then the remainder will be 0. Then what you people will do, L power R equal to 4 power 0 equal to 1. So the last digit will be 1. So this case is a wrong one. You should not do that. You have other method when the remainder is 0. Okay, so when the remainder is 0, I said you in the before question itself, like L power R. So there I given you. So whenever you will get a remainder 0, if the L is in 2468, then the unit digit will be 6. Or else if it is in 379, then the unit digit will be 0. Okay, here it is 4, right? So 4 is in in this case. So the unit digit will be 6. So it is only applicable when the remainder is 0, not for every cases. Okay, and here is the other problem for you. 2016 power 2015, 2015 power 2016. So we have to solve. First let us solve this part. So 2016 power 2015, that the last number is 6. The cyclicity of 6 is 1. Okay, so with 1, if we divide 2015, we'll get a remainder 0. Whenever you get a remainder 0, you have to use this case. So the unit digit will be 6. So coming to this, 2015 power 2016, last digit is 5. For this also cyclicity of 5 is 1. So with 1, if you divide 2015, you will get a 0. But for 5, it is an exception case that the unit digit always of 5 is 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1. That is the answer. This is how you will solve the different problems by using this. So you have to remember, when the remainder is 0, the cases will be different, or else you can directly do for L power R. That's all. You'll be getting a power, and the last digit you will be noting down. Whenever you get a remainder 0, then the case follows. So in the part 2 of the number series, I have given you questions and the solutions is here now. For model 5, 93, 27, 61, 42. So it is nothing but 9 by 3 is 3, right? So 3 cube is 27. When you know about your squares and cubes exactly, then you can easily identify the numbers which are cubes. So please go through it, then solve this number series problems. So 6 by 1 is 6, 6 cube. So obviously next one will be 4 by 2, it is 2. So 2 cube is 8, and the answer is 8. And here 14, 916, 25, 36, 494. Don't get confused by seeing the large numbers. It will be a squares, or it will be a internal multiplication or division of the numbers. So 1, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 2, 5, 3, 6, 5 square, 6 square, like that. And the last number will be always it is 7, 8. So next obviously it will be 9 and 10. So 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 1000. Sorry, 10 square is 100. And model number 7 here. This is n square minus n type of problems. 0, 2, 6, 12, 20, 30, 42, 56, and the answer is, so 1 square minus 1, 2 square minus 2 is 2. So like that, 5 square minus 5 is 20. So 8 square minus 8 is 56. Obviously the next one will be 9 square minus 9 is 72. 81 minus 9 is 72. So here the model number 8, that is n cube minus n. 6, 24, 120, 330, and the answer is 2 cube minus 2 is 6, 4 cube minus 4 is 120, and 5 cube minus 5 is 330, and 6 cube minus 6 is 1320. This is how you'll solve the number series problems. So please thorough with your squares and cubes of the numbers so that you can solve very easily. So the link of this number series of part 1 and part 2 is given in the description. So you can go directly into the link and then you can see the video if you missed. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.